Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SR Tech Talks. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the advantage of Python. So in the part of advantage of Python, in this video we are going to discuss about the 10 major advantages. The first and foremost advantage is it is the easy to learn. Easy to learn means the combination of writing and reading is called learning. Okay, so Python programming language almost similar to the English language. So everybody can easily learn the Python programming language as like English language. So relatively a few number of lines of code with using less code we can build the projects by using the Python. So that's why compared to the other programming languages, Python is a very simple programming language. This is the first advantage. So the second one is the Python is a free and open source. Now, what is the free and open source? Free is nothing but we can download the entire Python and use the Python with free of cost. No need to pay the single rupee no need to pay the single rupee for downloading and usage purpose. And also, it is the open source. Open source is nothing but we have the source code also about the Python. We can download and distribute our version of Python code. That means we can modify the entire source code and we can release the as per our requirement. Okay, this is the one advantage of the free and source code, open source. Because of the free, our budget also, our we can control the budget of the project also because entire Python was free. Okay, the third one is it has a large library support. Large library means again the library is containing the packages, modules and a bunch of code, right? So by using the number of libraries we can complete the task within the short period of time. Because of that we have the number of libraries, we can do multiple tasks also at a time by using the different libraries. This is the third most advantage of the Python. So fourth one is the interpreted programming language. Python is a interpretation programming language. That means in Python specifically line by line execution was happening. Okay, by using line by line, if wherever error is occurring, the PVM it stops the execution of programming at the error only. It can't move to forward. So whenever you solve the first error, then only it will go to the and it will detect the another error. Until there, it is not executing the another line. That is the usage of interpreted programming language. So this is the fourth one, and the fifth one is portability. Portability. We can make the code by using the Python in any OS, any platform. Okay. So once we make the code and run anywhere, this kinds of feature it is having. So by using portability feature, we can make the code in any OS and platform. So again run the and execute that code every anywhere and n number of times. So that is the portability. Now the sixth one is it is the dynamically typed programming language. So because of this feature, the programmer cannot define the data type before the assigning the value. Before creating the object, there is no need to mention, there is no need to specifically assign the data type because of the object. So that is the dynamic type of programming language. This is the best advantages regarding the Python compared to the other programming language. Because in other programming language, definitely we should mention the data type of object before assigning the or before creating the data. So seventh one is the Python is a versatile programming language. That means it is a multi-paradigm language. It accepts and supports the procedural oriented and object oriented and functional programming also. So we can use in any way. It depends on the our requirement. Like procedural way we can use, object orientation way we can use, and function by using functions also we can make the code and we can make the project. Okay, so this flexibility allows the developers to approach the problem differently and adapt the language to their need. This is the versatility and flexibility. Okay, so both are different. The eighth one is it is the embeddable programming language. That means Python allows and integrate the other programming language code inside the Python project. So with using the other programming languages, okay, other programming languages, we can perform the by using Python, we can get the better results about the project. So this is the major advantage with Python. It's called embeddable. The ninth one is it is a strong programming language. Nothing we call it's a robust programming language because of the we have the exception handling. Okay, so and along with Python, we have the number of frameworks are there like Django, Flask. Those are the building for major applications. Okay, in the applications also we have the number of security features is there. So by using exception handling, we can give the and we can make the better projects for users purpose. Okay, the 10th one is it is also a programming language and also it is a scripting language also. Okay, by using scripting we can do the automation task and once we make the code and automatically we can run the task multiple times at a time. So these are the Python advantages, guys. So in this video I hope you like this video, and if you like this video please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.